finally, let's take a look at the weather for the Inuit tribe who inhabit present-day Alaska and northern Canada. As you can see, the Inuit should be expecting some cold temperatures in these Arctic areas as we stretch from Alaska across northern Canada. Very chilly out there, folks. You might want to bundle up. We're going to check in with our reporter, Cindy, who is live on the scene in this cold climate to see what the weather is like. Cindy? Cindy, what's that? You're trying to escape from a polar bear? Oh my, let's go live to the store.